Hello, my dear students. Today, in this video, new video, concept of rotation is introduced. It is very important notion. For all competitive exams, it will be given. Concept of rotation. Before learning this, you must learn and understand the vector system and the polar coordinate system are involved in complex number system. So, all mathematicians in ancient times also, they followed very well polar coordinate system and the vector system. Same way, in our complex or organed plane, our complex number system follows a vector concept and polar coordinate system. These both are explained and discussed in this video particularly. This is particularly discussed about concept of rotation involved with vector system and polar coordinate system. This is very important. Please, without wasting time, please go through my today's video, new video on the title concept of rotation. And we have done some other questions also for you to understand how the questions will be, how to do them by using rotation, that you should learn. Okay, see you. My dear students, good morning to all. In complex number system, the other two systems involved in it, they are polar coordinate system and vector system. Vector system and polar coordinate system are involved in the application of complex number system. Therefore, you have to learn first of all vector concept and polar coordinate system concept. You have to learn first. That is why I am going to explain on the paper about the polar coordinate system and vector system, how they are applied in complex number system under the chapter rotation of the angle, how rotation of the angle will be taking its importance in complex numbers. Okay, go through. In this video I am going to explain this. Go through that carefully. My dear students, please observe, in vector system, see here, A, B, A of A bar, B of B bar. This is AB bar. AB bar equals to OB bar minus OA bar. Where is O? Somewhere O. This is OB bar and this is OA bar. OB bar minus OA bar. It is nothing but B bar minus A bar. Say this is B bar, This is A bar. So AB bar equals to B bar minus A bar. This is triangle law of addition. This is triangle law of addition. You have learned in vectors fundamentally. Once observe. Same to same in complex number system. In complex number system. In complex number system, same it will be applied. How? There is AB. But here not A bar, B bar. A is Z1, A of Z1, B of Z2 we will take. Same like this, OB bar is Z2 and OA bar is Z1. Then what is AB bar? AB bar equals to OB bar minus OA bar equals to Z2 minus Z1. Same, there is no difference. Same vector concept involved in complex number system. So in complex number system, vector system is applied in it. This is very important. Next. You see here, polar coordinate system. Polar coordinate system. Polar coordinate system. This polar coordinate system also involved in complex number system. Therefore, you have to learn the concept of polar coordinate system, fundamental concept of it. So, OX. This is OX. This OX like this, it rotates and making angle theta. Polar coordinate system. If you can take any point P. Take this OP. Say OP is R1 and the angle. So P can be denoted length of OP R1 comma the angle made by OX, because OX is the ray. No, this ray is rotated like this and supposed to be stopped here, making by rotation it has made theta angle. That theta we keep. So in this polar coordinate system we keep R1 and its angle made by the ray. If we want to take like this, suppose here it will be like this. This is X. And making angle alpha and taking Q is here. Then what is the length? OQ. So we can write OQ length. OQ length means what? Modulus OQ, comma. What is the angle? Alpha. So this is modulus and this is alpha, angle made by the OX ray when it is rotated like this. Same to same in complex numbers, it is complex system. It will be same, it will be there, same, it will be there. How? You observe complex number system, please observe this. And this is modulus and this is amplitude. But the name is changed. Here we are telling length. In complex system, this is modulus OQ. This is called modulus. This alpha is called amplitude or argument. So the point is like this. The point is like this, that the Q will be is R cis theta, they will call. Q will be. R cis theta means what? R of cos theta plus I sin R of cos theta plus I sin theta. What is this? R cos theta, comma, R sin theta. R cos theta, comma, R sin theta. So this can be written as R e power I theta. Who has told this? Euler. Euler told this. Like this. As a R cos theta, R sin theta we can call. As R of cos theta plus I sin theta we can call. Or R cis theta we can call. Same. What is that? This is R. And this angle is theta. Same polar coordinate system will be in complex system. Same we represent R theta. But here R cis theta, R cos theta plus I sin theta, R cos theta, R sin theta as a point. By Euler, R e power I theta. So modulus amplitude. You see here, modulus amplitude. Please see here, modulus amplitude. This is the thing. You have to learn it. Concept of rotation. Concept of rotation you must learn. Here I have taken like this. X, Y, కనిపించు OX, OY, OP, say Z1, and OQ, say Z2, and the OP, ray OP rotated about O and supposed to be stopped at OQ. Supposed to be stopped at OQ of Z2. Then it makes an angle theta. Again I am telling, OP, one ray, P of Z1, OP is rotating, supposed to be let OP rotate, and supposed to be stopped at OQ Z2, making an angle theta. This is called concept of rotation in complex numbers, in complex system. Then we can write this as OP bar OQ bar OP has gone to OQ, no. OP has been coincident with OQ, no. So OQ bar by OP bar equals to modulus OQ bar by OP bar. This is modulus. And next, amplitude e power I theta. This is the theta amplitude by according to Euler. Again I am telling, this OP has gone to OQ. OQ bar by OP bar equals to modulus, because we have to take length, no? We have to take length. We are learned in polar coordinate system. We have taken length, no? So OQ bar by OP bar into, we have to mention amplitude, no? By Euler we have to mention, that is e power I theta. This is called concept of rotation. Here I want to tell you another one. You see, one triangle is there, ABC. Say this is equilateral. This BC is there. About B, if BC rotates and supposed to be stopped at BA, making an angle 60 degrees or pi by 3, because it is equilateral, given equilateral. And then what is the concept of rotation? What is the concept of rotation here? Here, this has been gone to here. So, here, BA bar by BC bar, because this is rotating about B. So, BA bar by BC bar equals to modulus BA bar by BC bar e power I theta. What is theta here? Pi by 3. What is this? Please observe, what is this? What is BA? What is BC length? Because this is equilateral, both lengths are equal, so this is BA, this is also BA, because this is equilateral, therefore BA by BA e power I pi by 3, and BA by BA is how much? 1 into e power I pi by 3 means how much? Cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3, and this is called cos pi by 3, cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2 plus I sin 60 root 3 by 2 equals to 1 plus root 3I by 2. This is called BA bar by BC bar. If it is given A bar is Z1 and B bar is A is Z1 and B of Z2 and C of Z3, then BA bar, according to vector triangle rule. What is BA bar? Z1 minus Z2 What is BA bar? Z1 minus Z2 by BC bar. Z3 minus Z2. So we can write this according to in the vector system. I told no already. I have told already. BA bar means Z1 minus Z2. BC bar means Z3 minus Z2 equals to 1 plus root 3 I by 2. Like this we learn concept of rotation. This is very, very, very important for JEE exams and MSET exams. It will be more helpful. Okay? Please see this question. Definitely it will be helpful to you to understand about the concept of rotation. Consider an n-sided regular polygon of n sides with the origin as its center. If Z1 be the complex number representing a vertex A1 of the polygon, then the complex number associated with the vertex that is adjacent A1. So observe here, this is our n-sided polygon, n-sided regular polygon. The question is, A1 is given Z1, but he is asking us A2 and AN. These are adjacent sides of the vertices, adjacent vertices of A1. Adjacent vertices of A1 is A2 and AN. A2 is a Z2, AN is a Zn. Here, total the angle is 2 pi. So this angle is 2 pi by n. This angle is 2 pi by n. This angle is 2 pi by n. Please try to observe these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. We want A2 and AN with the concept of rotation. Let us take this OA1. Let OA1 about O, let OA1 rotate and supposed to be stopped OA2. And the angle is 2 pi by n. So according to the concept of rotation, before this we have learned that is OA2 bar by OA1 bar equals to modulus OA2 by OA1 e to the power I 2 pi by n, because the angle is 2 pi by n. So I 2 pi by n. Z2 by Z1 equals mod Z2 by Z1 equals e power I into 2 pi by n. Z2 by Z1 equals to Z2 Z1 both are same, because that is here OA2 length and OA1 length are same, equal. Therefore modulus Z2 modulus Z1 both are equal. Therefore modulus Z2 by Z1 is nothing but 1 e power I into 2 pi by n. Now Z2, if you do cross multiplication, Z2 equals to Z1 e to the power I 2 pi by n. Z2, it is required vertex nearby A1 and adjacent to A1. Adjacent to A1, A2 of Z2 equals to Z1 e to the power I 2 pi by n. This is a required question. Similarly, please come Z1 by Z1, Zn by Z1, because if you take this here, the one thing is there, the thing is OA1 rotates like this about O. In which direction? Clockwise direction. If it is in clockwise direction, like this, clockwise direction, then the angle can be taken as minus 2 pi by n. Therefore, Zn by Z1 equals to 1 into e to the power I of minus 2 pi by n, an of Zn equals to e to the power minus I 2 pi by n into Z1. So here, when Z1 is given, when Z1 is given, A of vertex A, vertex AN, vertex AN, vertex AN, vertex AN, vertex AN of Zn equals to e to the power minus I to the power n Z1. And A2 of Z2 equals to e to the power I to the power n into Z1. That you have written. This is A2 of Z2 and this is An of Zn. Okay, by this we can understand the concept of rotation. The area of the triangle on the argand plane formed by Z, IZ, Z plus IZ is, the option is half of modulus Z square. The area of the triangle on the argand plane formed by Z, IZ, Z plus IZ is half modulus Z square. It's very old, important question. Please observe this. I have taken like this. You see my figure, OA bar, I have taken Z. OB bar, I have taken IZ. According to vector system, OC bar, definitely it will be Z plus IZ. Resultant vector. OC bar equals to OA bar plus OB bar. Definitely this is one square of the equal sides. No doubt. Here another thing is A of Z is there. What about IZ? IZ is, here I have told you, triangle ABC area equals to triangle ABC area is equal to triangle OAB area. OAB and ACB, both areas are equal because it is a square. Equals to, our formula is half OA into OB. Everybody knows from high school standards, you know, half base into height. Like that, half OA into OB. Provided you must prove this is 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, If it is 90 degrees, then only half OA into OB you can write. Then only OAB triangle is equal to ABC triangle. Therefore, this should be 90. Then only you can write as of OA into OB, right? So how it will be 90? How it will be 90? IZ. What is IZ? ZOA. Please observe. OA, let OA rotate, and concept of rotation. Let OA rotate about O, and supposed to be stopped at OB. Then the angle is 90 degrees. If you take, then what will be coming? What will be coming here? What will be coming here? OB by OB bar by OA bar modulus OB bar by OA bar e power I angle pi by 2, because it is a square. So what is OB bar? OB bar is IZ equals to OB bar modulus OB bar by OA bar. OB bar by OA bar is equal modulus OB bar. OB bar is modulus IZ by modulus Z e power I pi by 2. Like that. So here both are equal. Modulus IZ by Z. Modulus IZ is Z. Yeah, you see. IZ equals to Z into X plus IY. Z equals to X plus IY. Multiply IX plus I square minus Y. Modulus IZ equals to modulus IX minus Y. Root over X square plus Y square. It is nothing but modulus IZ equal to Z. So both are same. Because both are same, IZ by Z mod Z by Z e power I pi by 2. It is nothing but e power I pi by 2. So IZ amplitude is pi by 2. Therefore, pi by 2. Because this is pi by 2, and because ABC triangle equals to OAB triangle ABC area equals to triangle OAB area of modulus OA into OB, of modulus Z into IZ, of modulus Z into modulus IZ is modulus Z, so of modulus Z square. Area is, in the question, area is half modulus Z square. Hi, my dear students, I hope you have followed the concept of rotation. You have understood it. If you do not understand, again watch this 40 minutes video, understand better, because it is more important for competitive exams. For more updated videos, don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Pass on this news to all of your friends, even to government college students also. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to pass on this news and to make others also who are your friends, of course other than friends, pass on these videos so that the poor or the other students or any type of student, they can learn the subject even for intermediate or MSET or JEE, IIT JEE, whatever exam, whatever the type of exam they prepare, they can follow and they can prepare with my videos. Please, till 2021, please cooperate and spread this news to all of your friends. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share and watch. Thank you.